Here you see 3 rings that were cut out. The 2 small ones will accept the vacuum hose. The large one is for the spindle, and where you see the large one, the plastic will be cut out so that it can go through the spindle. The 2 smaller parts are going to overlap, and they're going to be where the hose connects to the plastic. Here you see a side view. The spindle hole has been cut out, and so has the hole for the vacuum hose. The next step is to attach the wood connector for the vacuum hose. A wood skirt has been created and put at the bottom of the plastic. The plastic has been cut to length. On the bottom of the wood skirt there's a channel where the brush will fit into. Here you see it fitted to the spindle. There's 1 screw at the top of the assembly which keeps everything on nice and snug and allows it to come off easily. Was pretty happy with how it turned out. Did a nice job picking up the chips and the dust. As you can see, the area stayed pretty clean. If you want to make your own, I'll be linking the vectors down below in the description. Thanks for watching.